So this morning I did the math and I've spent 1.2% of my life in New York. That's pretty freaking cool. I know you guys are gonna disagree. I don't care. That's pretty freaking cool. How are all you guys doing though today? I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I have a whole bunch of stuff planned today that I think you guys are going to love. The first stop that I'm making is I'm heading over to Sneaker Flea to say what's up to Joe, but then I'm checking out a camera store to figure out what lens I want to buy for my new Sony a7 III, and then I'm heading over to Queens to check out one of the coolest pairs of shoes that has come out in the past probably 6, 7, maybe even 8 months. First stop though is saying what's up to Joe. Scratch that. Joe's on his lunch break, which is sort of frustrating because I'm supposed to help him start his YouTube channel, which is hopefully coming soon. Hopefully. You guys are probably wondering what the heck I'm doing in Ridgewood. Let me explain. The answer is pretty cool. If you want to get a pair of sneakers before release date, New York City is 100% the place to go. Obviously you have Flight Club, you have Stadium Goods, you have all the consignment stores that have these shoes early, but you also have a bunch of boutiques that fly a little bit under the radar and release them before they're actually supposed to. Some of them charge a premium, some of them are nice and charge retail. It's really hit and miss depending on where you go. But I know a spot in Ridgewood right on Cypress Avenue. It's called Moolah NYC. It's the same place that I got my Jordan 1 Shadows from, and they have a pair of shoes that doesn't come out for about probably a week and a half, and I really want to grab them, and I'm very, very excited to see them. I've been looking forward to getting them for months and months, and basically ever since I saw the images of them. They are amazing, and we're gonna go check them out right now. All right, here they are. So obviously it's a big Jordan box. The cement print on the side, the red Jumpman. By now you guys probably know what model they are. It is of course the Jordan 3s. I have never seen these, so I'm very, very excited to take a look at these. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. These things are beautiful. The Katrina Jordan 3s. Okay, now say what you will, the white cements are great. The white cements are great. I'm gonna say that these things are probably better. And I know I'm gonna have a whole bunch of people freaking out, oh, there's no Nike Air, it's not an OG colorway. Tom, you're insane. These things are way nicer than the white cement 3s in my opinion. I'm a fan of red, so you have basically the exact same color scheme as the white cement 3s, except you have red there, which is just 10 times better. Oh my god, the leather's really nice on these. All white, 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 white. You have the red sock liner, you have the red midsole, you have the elephant print. Wow. Of course it comes with a hang tag as all Jordan 3s do. You have the gray bottom with the red right there. This is a beautiful pair of shoes. There's just one bad thing. They don't have my size here, which really, really sucks. I would have loved to pick these up right now, and trust me, I would have picked them up right now. This has to be one of the nicest Jordan releases of the year. I know we've had the Shadows. I know we've had the off-white, white Jordan 1s. I know we've had probably a whole bunch of others that I'm forgetting about, the black cement 3s as well. These are nicer than the black cement 3s, I'll say that. And I know you guys will freak out because it's not an original colorway, but these are great. So if you don't know the backstory behind these, this was originally a charity auction shoe that Jordan Brand put out back in, what are we at now? Probably like 2006? Whatever year Hurricane Katrina was, they put these out as a sort of way to fund hurricane relief, and now 10, 11, 12 years later, they're re-releasing these as a mass GR shoe. And there's a lot of people getting mad that they were re-releasing a charity shoe as a shoe for profit to the masses, but I mean, I don't really care though. They still did the good thing of having the charitable donation back in the day when Katrina happened, and if they want to make money off a dope colorway now, I don't think there is anything wrong with that. I can't pick them up today, sadly, because there's no size 12. But May 5th is the release date. I will definitely be grabbing a pair. And if you want to get a pair early, come through Moolah on Cypress in Ridgewood. Grab yourself a pair. Wow. These things are really, 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 what I'm trying to say is they're really nice. Also, fun fact, this is Jadakiss' pair of shoes. He's picking these up. So I touched Jadakiss' shoes. I'm basically a big deal now. Right? awesome. Very, very thankful that I was able to see those early. Very, very bummed out that I wasn't able to buy those early because they were gonna give me a good price too. No size 12, but thank you Moolah for letting me take a look at those. All right, next stop of the day, B&H Photos. I bought the A7 III, as you guys know, which is like the coolest, probably the best bang for your buck vlogging camera of all time. It's $2,000, it shoots 4K, it shoots 120 frames per second, it shoots an S-Log, a whole bunch of camera nerd stuff. Most of it I don't even understand, but I'm excited for that. Now, I bought the kit lens, which is a 28 to 70 millimeters. For you guys that don't understand, that would sort of look like I was filming like this all the time, which would look a little bit awkward and uncomfortable for you guys to watch. Now, I can change that by buying a wider lens, which is what this is. I'm gonna use a 28 to 70 millimeter, the one that comes with it for B-roll and stuff like that. But for filming myself, I want a wide lens. So I need to go to B&H, see what they have. They have a way better selection than any camera store I could go to at home. I won't say they're more knowledgeable, but they just have better access to better lenses and better things that I could try out. And I wanna get the best for you guys. I'm very excited. You know what? I've been talking enough. Let's go to B&H and test out some freaking camera lenses. Okay, so this lens right here, it's the Zeiss Sony 16 to 35 millimeter. It's a wide angle lens, and it's supposed to look really, really good, but I'm an idiot and it wasn't focused on my face. So the image here looks terrible. But trust me, when it wasn't pointing at me and I couldn't see, because there's no flip screen on this, which is the frustrating part. There's no flip viewfinder, so I can't actually see what I'm filming when I'm filming myself. So I didn't know it wasn't focused, but long story short, this camera looks amazing with this lens. I know it looks terrible here, so my opinion has basically no validity with the clip you're seeing. But trust me, this lens is amazing. I think I'm gonna buy this lens. I haven't seen what that footage looks like yet. It's still on the memory card. I need to wait until I get back to my laptop to check it out, except I am so excited to get this camera. The B-roll is gonna be amazing. The video is gonna be amazing. I actually have some pretty immediate plans as well to get into doing some videography for people as well, so that is going to look amazing. I'm just gonna be creating a whole bunch of cool stuff. Oh my, I'm geeking out over this camera. I know I like sneakers. I probably get more excited and like camera stuff even more at this point. Like, it is going to look so amazing.